Let's do a cucumber. You could leave the skin on the European cucumber, but if you're using an American one, it's very tough, so you need to remove all of it. The way I like to do the European cucumber is just go one striped, leave a little bit of skin on, and then go right next to it. And then go right next to it and do another one. Remove as little as possible from the edges. To make it more manageable, we're gonna cut it right in half. Make it stand like this so it's more sturdy, or you could put it down on the flat surface. Cut straight in the middle. I like to cut the cucumber like this because it creates a very sturdy base when I start cutting it. If you're using the American cucumber, the seeds are not edible, so you have to make sure that you take a spoon and you remove the seeds. On the European, you don't have to, all of it is very edible. Place down on a flat surface and let the knife do the work. Perfect sliced cucumber.